Right now, as you watch this, someone in Berlin just earned $40-70. Someone in Amsterdam made $83 in the last hour. And a student in Madrid with zero coding skills, zero experience, just crossed $1,000 this month. They didn't win the lottery, they didn't hustle 18 hours a day. They simply discovered what the AI economy is silently paying for. And nobody's talking about it. My name is Author, and in the next 10 minutes I'm going to hand you the exact playbook that transformed broke European students into consistent earners. Stay until the end, because segment 9 reveals the one method that $0 investment can unlock $1,000 within 30 days. Now go make it happen. I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart. Here's the uncomfortable truth nobody tells you at university. While you're applying for internships that pay $9 an hour, while you're stressing about rent in Amsterdam or Munich, the AI economy is quietly distributing billions of euros to people who know where to look. And the staggering part? You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need a degree. You don't even need a laptop worth more than $300. The barrier isn't skill. The barrier is simply awareness. Most Europeans have no idea. Today, I'm destroying that barrier completely. What I'm about to show you is what I call the AI money map. 5 distinct income streams, each powered entirely by AI tools that are either completely free or cost less than your monthly Netflix subscription. Each stream on its own generates $150 to $250 per month. Combined strategically, and I'll show you exactly how you cross $1,000. No client chasing, no freelancing marketplace wars, no algorithm gambling. Just clean, systematic, AI-powered income. Let's walk through each one. In our last 3 sessions, we covered some powerful ways to earn in euros. Today, we're diving into the 4th method. Method 1, Content Arbitrage. And this one is devastatingly simple. Thousands of European small businesses are desperately struggling to produce quality content, product descriptions, blog posts, social media captions, so in English and in multiple European languages. Your job? Act as the intelligent bridge. You take their raw, mediocre brief. You run it through Claude AI or ChatGPT with a precision prompt I'll share shortly. You deliver polished, conversion-optimized content back to them. Average earnings per piece, $25 to $80. Average AI processing time, under 4 minutes, 15 pieces a month. That's your $200 to $250 right there. Method 2 exploits something uniquely powerful about being European. You live in the most linguistically diverse economic zone on Earth, and European businesses pay premium rates for localized, culturally accurate translations. Here's the disruption. AI tools like DeepL and Claude now produce near-perfect translations instantly. Your value isn't translating. It's being the culturally intelligent human who reviews, adjusts, and certifies the AI's output. Post-editing AI translation pays $0.03 to $0.8 per word. A standard business document is 2,000 words. Do the arithmetic. 10 documents a month with 0 language software cost. Pure AI leverage. You speak even basic French, German, Spanish, or Dutch. You're already qualified. Just use pure AI leverage. This is the one nobody else is teaching, especially not for European creators. Method 3. The AI prompt economy. Businesses across Europe are desperate for optimized, field-tested AI prompts that actually produce professional results. They're buying pre-packaged prompt collections, paying between $15 and $50 per bundle. You craft 10 specialized prompt packages. You list them on Promptbase, Etsy, or Gumroad. You sell them on autopilot while you sleep. No customer service, no deliveries, no deadlines. This is the closest thing to genuinely passive income in the AI economy. And Europeans are buying these at an accelerating rate. Create once, sell infinitely. No stock, no shipping, pure digital income. Method 4 is the hidden arbitrage that the tech giants don't want to advertise. AI companies pay humans to label training data. This is established, legitimate, and consistently available. The standard approach earns $6 to $8 per hour. But here's the algorithmic secret that nobody is sharing yet. You use a second AI tool to pre-process and pre-label the data before you review it. Your verification speed triples. Your effective hourly rate jumps to $18 to $22. This is AI using AI to earn faster. And it is completely within platform rules because the final human verification is genuinely yours. 8 to 10 hours a week, $180 to $200 added to your monthly income. The fifth and most scalable method, AI-powered Micro-SaaS. A Micro-SaaS is a tiny, niche software tool that solves one very specific problem and charges a modest monthly subscription. Example, a tool that automatically generates GDPR-compliant privacy policies in multiple European languages. European businesses need this. It's legally sensitive, and they'll pay $8 to $15 per month for a reliable solution. You don't write the code. Claude AI or GPT-4 writes it. You use no-code platforms to wrap it into a product. You launch. You collect subscriptions. 20 subscribers paying $8 monthly. That's $160, arriving automatically every single month. No-code tools and AI are all you need to start. Now let's architect your $1,000 a month precisely. Content Arbitrage, 5 hours per week, $220 per month. AI translation, 3 hours per week, $200 per month. Prompt market, 2 hours setup, then 30 minutes maintenance weekly, $160 per month. Data labeling acceleration, 10 hours per week, $190 per month. Micro-SaaS, 4 hours initial build, then passive, $160 per month. Total, approximately 18 active hours per week. Total monthly income, $940 to $150. Total, approximately 18 active hours per week. Total monthly income, $940 to $1,050. That's less than a part-time job with no commute, no manager, and no glass ceiling. I want to be radically honest with you because you deserve that. Your first 30 days will not produce $1,000, and anyone who tells you otherwise is selling you a fantasy. Realistically, days 1 through 7 are setup. Platform accounts, AI tool familiarization, prompt testing, zero income, but critical infrastructure. Week 2, your first $50 to $120 appears. Real money, genuine validation. By month's end, $300 to $600 depending on your consistency. Month 2, $600, $900. Month 3, the $1,000 threshold shatters, and it compounds from there. This is a business, not a vending machine, but it is the most accessible business model Europe has ever seen. And now, the insight that nobody in the European creator space is talking about. The reason I made this video, I call it the European AI Arbitrage Triangle, and it is your unfair, structural, built-in advantage. Point 1, you have access to the exact same free AI tools as everyone in Silicon Valley. Point 2, you possess multilingual, culturally sophisticated European communication abilities that American competitors fundamentally cannot replicate. Point 3, the highest paying platforms for AI-assisted work pay in US dollars. Your European cost of living means every dollar stretches further than it does for your American competition. You are not competing on a level playing field. You are competing with a geographical, linguistic, and economic advantage that most people haven't even recognized yet. This is your moment. This window will not stay open forever. Most people will watch this and do nothing. They feel a spark of motivation, then slide back into the same routine. But right now, there is a gap, a window where AI creates massive leverage. Here is your blueprint for $1,000 a month. Step 1, the faceless model. You don't need a camera. AI allows one person to do the work of a full studio. Step 2, high CPM niches. Focus on science, history, or finance. These boring topics attract the highest value advertisers. Your 24-hour plan. Create accounts on Fiverr, Malt, and Claude.ai. Action takers see results in 30 days. Subscribe if this was real. I'll see you on the other side of $1,000. Stay smart, stay profitable.